Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ride Waves. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 T, a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern touring capabilities. The 2025 Rebel 1100 T DCT is priced at $11,499, with an additional destination charge of $775. This model stands out with its 1083cc liquid-cooled Unicam A-registered parallel twin engine, delivering a robust performance that's both smooth and responsive. The 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT, ensures seamless gear shifts, making it an excellent choice for both city commutes and long-distance touring. Honda Power Sports Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6 Cycle News Plus 6. One of the standout features of this motorcycle is its touring-oriented design. The handlebar-mounted fairing not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also provides wind protection, enhancing rider comfort on longer journeys. Complementing this are the 35-liter dual hard saddlebags, offering ample storage space for your essentials. Peak Honda World Plus 1 Honda Power Sports Plus 1 Peak Honda World Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 2. The 2025 model introduces several updates aimed at improving rider comfort and convenience. The seat cushion is now 10 mm thicker, and the riding position has been adjusted with grips positioned 12 mm higher and 28 mm back, while foot pegs are moved 50 mm forward. These changes result in a more relaxed and ergonomic riding posture, especially beneficial during extended rides. Motorcycle.com Plus 3 Peak Honda World Plus 3 Cycle News Plus 3 Total Motorcycle. Technological advancements are also prominent in this model. The inclusion of Honda Road Sync allows riders to connect their smartphones via Bluetooth, enabling hands-free navigation, music playback, and weather updates. The new 5-inch thin-film transistor (TFT) display offers clear visibility of essential information, including speedometer, tachometer, gear position, and fuel level. Honda Power Sports Plus 5 Peak Honda World Plus 5 Motorcycle.com Plus 5. Safety and handling have not been overlooked. The Rebel 1100 T DCT features a 43 mm telescopic fork with adjustable preload and dual Showa rear shocks, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. The braking system comprises a single 330 mm front disc with a radial mount 4-piston caliper and a 256 mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS for enhanced stopping power. Central Florida Power Sports Plus 2 Peak Honda World Plus 2 Motorcycle.com Plus 2 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 2 Motorcycle.com Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Total Motorcycle Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 6. In terms of dimensions, the motorcycle has a wheelbase of 59.8 inches, a seat height of 27.5 inches, and a curb weight of 542 pounds. The fuel capacity stands at 3.6 gallons, providing a decent range for touring purposes. Cycle News Plus 4 Honda Power Sports Plus 4 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 4 Motorcycle.com Plus 5 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 5 Honda Power Sports Plus 5. The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 T DCT is available in gray metallic, exuding a sleek and modern look that complements its performance capabilities. With its combination of power, comfort, and advanced features, this motorcycle is poised to be a top choice for riders seeking a versatile and reliable touring companion. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Waves. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Rebel 1100 T DCT, feel free to leave a comment below. Ride safe and see you on the road.